Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install n8n for workflow automation in your apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To install n8n for workflow automation in your apps, first, ensure you have node.js installed on your machine. You can verify this by running node v in your command line. If node.js is not installed, visit the official node.js website and download the latest version. Once node.js is installed, open your command line interface. Next, you need to install n8n globally. Run the command npm install n8ng. This will download and install n8n to your system. After the installation completes, you can start n8n. Type n8n start in your command line interface. This command will launch n8n, and you'll see logs indicating it is running. Open a web browser and navigate to http://localhost 5678. You should see the n8n user interface loaded in your browser. To set up your first workflow, click on Create Workflow. You can now drag and drop nodes from the sidebar to build your automation. Connect the nodes by clicking on the small circles on the edges. Configure each node by clicking on it and filling in the necessary information. Once your workflow is set up, you can save it. You can save your work by clicking the Save button at the top right of the screen. Test your workflow by clicking the Execute Workflow option. If everything runs smoothly, your workflow is now functional. To enhance your n8n experience, explore the available integrations and features. Consider enabling n8n's user authentication for added security. You may also want to look into setting up a database to store your workflows persistently. With these steps completed, you are now ready to utilize n8n for workflow automation in your applications. Enjoy automating your tasks efficiently with n8n. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.